You take one last bite of breakfast, and somewhere deep in your body, a switch flips. You just ate your final meal. Ever. No more hunger, no more cooking, no more dishes, no more deciding what's for dinner. Food is officially optional. So, what's the catch? Oh, there's a catch. But week one? Week one is glorious. You get 2 hours of your life back every single day. Grocery bill, zero. That afternoon crash after lunch, gone, because there is no lunch. You walk past a bakery, breathe in, and keep walking like a monk who ascended. You are free. What could possibly go wrong? Everything. Because your body was never running on meals. It was running on fuel aphrodite, and you just stopped delivering. For about a day, it's calm. It burns a sugar stash called glycogen, no big deal. Then the stash runs dry, and the panic begins. So your body does something desperate. It starts eating itself. First the fat, which honestly sounds great until you learn what's next. Because once the easy fat is gone, it comes for the muscle. Your arms, your legs, and eventually the most important muscle you own, your heart. Now, could you survive a while? Strangely, yes. One man, Angus Barbieri, fasted for 382 days under doctors, over a year with no meals. But here's what people miss. He was drinking vitamins and minerals the whole time. Pure no food isn't a superpower. It's a countdown. And the cruelest twist, the catch inside the catch. After a long enough fast, the thing that kills you is eating again. Bring back food too fast and your body short circuits, a real, deadly condition called refeeding syndrome. The meal that should save you stops your heart instead. But forget the biology for a second. Here's the quiet one. Every birthday, every first date, every holiday, every let's grab dinner, take away eating and you don't just lose food. You lose the table everyone gathers around. You'd be full forever and somehow starving for the one thing food was really feeding. So maybe hunger isn't the enemy. Maybe it's an invitation. If you'd like a second helping, subscribe, like, and share. It's free and it won't cost you a single bite. Thanks for watching.